coming back on.
Thank you.
I keep forgetting there's a button over there.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Get ready.
Sorry, I didn't see it.
I didn't either. I couldn't see it. It's like, where'd I go?
Yellow flag.
Black. Here we go.
Get ready.
Someone gets dragging the track now.
Yellow flag.
Black. Thank you.
Sounds like he's dragging the track.
Scotch, you mean?
Yeah. It's making a weird noise. Like almost the gears running on the track.
Well, the tires are low.
Yeah, you did it all through practice, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I think the pan's dragging.
This
Yeah, this
side-
one too. Pan's dragging this one.
This side pin's dragging, you need to
This car.
take that center, have I shown you how to flex those to where?
Well, I
you
think
can
it's
block?
does it have a white piece on there? On the side?
Yeah,
I think it's the angle stop, or the angle L. I need to raise it up.
but I mean, the side pan, you can see it's tipped.
Oh, it is?
Oh, is
Okay,
it?
well,
Yeah.
wait, can you do that after the heat? Can we fix it after
How
the
many
heat?
seconds we got?
Yeah, well, we got 5 seconds left.
Oh, yeah. You got it.
Are you ready? Yeah. Here we go.
Get ready. White flag.
Yeah, that woke me up. Oh,
8
shit.
over.
20 for Mark, 20 for Scott, 19 for Ken. We'll take a break here and